So I'm going to try something new and have the chickens help me work up my garden in preparation for putting the compost and wood chips on it. I'm going to keep them locked in the garden area for the next couple of weeks, getting it prepped and ready. I'm going to be feeding them in here and letting them have access to their coop and their nest boxes, but not free range the yard like we usually do. And I'll show you what they're doing already. Are you a working bird now, huh? We'll see how well they knock down all this excess grass and really get it all cleaned up for us. Our whole corral, for the most part, towards the back is just a big puddle. On the weather report this morning, it said field flooding for non-drainage areas. Look at my little cowboy in his hat. So cute. Hey cowboy, smile. There we go. Come on, Brewster. Come back. Okay. You guys are supposed to be cleaning the garden. Throughout the winter, I had been putting all of their used bedding in the garden, and as we got closer to the spring, I've started a compost pile with it because I didn't want it to be too rich. Clark, yeah, he takes care of his girls. He really, if he can tell they're uncomfortable or anything, he lays by them and watches over them. She's the other one that's due, and she's really... You're back? Hi. Yeah, hi. Oh, I wasn't that scary. I was not. Not completely bagged up, but really getting close. I'm opening up the cold frame to let some of this, we're gonna have rain for another 2-3 days, and let some of the rain come in here. And it's moist underneath but not on top, so really just let it fall on this. I'm not planting in it for a few more days. I want to harden off what I have, and then maybe get through those couple of cold nights we're gonna have. So I put aged cow manure in here, and then I mixed it with just a little bit of peat moss, just to make it so it really holds moisture. It can get pretty warm in here, and then on the days it does, I put the board between so it can get some airflow. But I'm really excited to have it for starting plants a little bit earlier than I can in just the bare garden. I plan on putting several different types of lettuce in here and having this be my lettuce bed, at least for the beginning of the season. It's starting to rain now, so that'll be good. I have just a handful of apples and carrots. I thought we would just go feed the cows, give them a little goodie. Say hi. Ball? Again? Say always, Mom. Always. Okay, I brought everybody some goodies. What do you guys think? How about you, Browse? You want a goodie? Yeah. That's my girl. Anybody else want a goodie? How about you, baby? Browse says, I want all of the goodies. Give them all to me. How about Clark? Does Clark want a goodie? Do you want to? Oh, good boy. We gotta share, though. Are we sharing? Are we sharing? Oh, ho, ho, ho. He's such a good boy. Such a good boy. How about carrot? You want a carrot? You want a carrot? Want another carrot? You're not sharing very well, guys. You're not sharing with everybody else. Yeah, you think you can eat my hand? You guys are gonna eat my hand? Oh boy. I think it's her turn. Yeah, it's her turn. You guys are silly. You guys are slobbering literally all over me. Okay, well, we didn't share very well. You two did. You two did. Yeah, you two did. You cannot eat my hand. Not a thing. You can't. No, you're a good boy, though. He's a good boy. Good boy. Yes. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. So Clark was a 4-H bull that we purchased, and I'm very, very glad we did, because he is so easy to handle and so nice. He has hay on his head. Big sweetheart. He's a good boy. You cannot eat. No. No. You're a goofy boy. You a good girl? Yeah. She's so good. She's so good. So no progress as far as having a baby yet. So far, no calf. I didn't see when she was bred, so I am really just guessing. You got water right over there. What are you doing, baby girl? Huh? What are you doing, baby girl? Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Are you being silly? So this goofball is Houdini. She used to get out of the fence through the feeder every day. Once we put gates on the outside of our feeder, that solved that problem. But every day I would wake up to a cow on the outside of the fence just staring at me, waiting to let her back in. It was our little morning routine, and she kept being sneaky. There's a clean, full water trough right here. She's using that. When it was a puddle out there, I mean, I called it Cow Lake. The little calves were bucking and playing in it. They were getting all their energy out. They thought it was warm. It was just really, really wet. See? Full water trough right there, goofball. Yeah. Yeah. You missed out on the apples. You did. You missed out on them. You missed out. I can't reach you, Goofy. Is that the spot? Yeah. Is that the spot? Still can't reach you. I have to be really careful, because if I'm in the corral with her, she wants to get so affectionate that she'll come up and she'll try and like rub against me. But these things do not feel good in your thigh. They don't. What do you think? Yeah? She likes her ears scratched. That's her spot. Are you gonna get it? Are you sure? Oh boy. Excited about a baby cow?
I think that's coming from the biopsy.
Oh, well, he's got his binoculars. We can't make any loud noises, though, okay?
Hey.
Okay. Shh, oh, that's a loud noise, silly goose.
What is all this stuff?
Well, when we were unloading hay, we made the ground all yucky with the tractor and the truck. What do you think? Good thing you got puddle boots on, huh? Yeah.
Don't fuck. Hey, I'm good on trailer.
That's Papa's.
Papa?
Yeah, it's Papa's cattle trailer. Eggs, huh? You guys got any eggs? A lot of them are hiding under cover. Look at those beautiful eggs. What are you doing, little one, huh? Are you getting friendly? Are you? Say not so much. I want to be. I'm curious. No? Okay, I'm gonna walk over here then. You be a good girl. Yep. High alert, watching after her. What do you know, Browse? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Good girl. It'll stop raining soon, I promise. Still on calf watch. Gonna keep a close eye on everybody. And just wanted to thank everybody for hanging out with us this week. Have a good one.